Hi, I'm Megan from the Megan Scott Real Estate Team, and I'm here at our fantastic new listing at 9225 Dublin Line in the stunning location of Halton Hills. Country living with city benefits. Welcome to this spectacular detached bungalow where the convenience of city benefits meets lifestyle of country living. Nestled on this breathtaking 1.89 acre lot, which has complete privacy backing on to Granite Ridge Golf Club, with stunning views of the Niagara Escarpment. Beautiful landscaping embraced by mature trees that includes a picturesque brook and pond. If you are looking for a tranquil outdoor space, this property is the one for you. Highlights of this home is the stunning lot, windy driveway, 3-car garage, and the amount of space this bungalow has to offer for larger families. Come on in so I can show you around. Upon entering, you will be welcomed with a foyer, double closet, and stunning arched doorways. The main floor features hardwood floors, large eat-in kitchen with breakfast area, and the slider doors that open to a beautiful backyard and spacious deck, ideal for entertaining while enjoying views of the golf course. A bright, expansive, open concept living and dining area made for memorable get-togethers, hardwood floors, crown molding, and large windows that fill the space with natural lighting. As we proceed down the hall, you will see a newly renovated bathroom with a walk-in shower, as well as 4 spacious and generous-sized bedrooms that offer ample comfort and functionality. The extra-large primary bedroom design includes his and her closets and a 2-piece ensuite with plenty of space to add a bathtub or shower. The lower level boasts a sprawling recreational room that features a separate entrance that steps out to a private stone patio. Additionally is a cozy wood-burning fireplace and built-in shelves. The second half of this enormous basement is partly finished and has massive potential for additional living space. This could also include multi-generational living, in-law suite, or potential rental income opportunity. Lastly is a hidden room with a steel door for all your valuables. This basement is a haven of extra living space. Imagine walking out every day to this dreamy and private outdoor space that backs onto the golf course and mature trees. You have all the amenities you need within minutes of your doorstep. 3 golf courses, nature trails, shopping, and all that the city of Milton has to offer, with convenient access to Highway 401 and Milton GO Station. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and for more information on this home, please visit meganscottteam.com or give us a call at 647-232-7743.